What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I know that this build has taken literally forever, but like, as you can tell, like, show them how we got 6 inches of rain in what, 24 hours?
I wish I could.
The dogs. It's like literally not. It's only raining, like, sprinkling right now, and I literally got home from work and I was like, I'm working on the Jeep. I don't even care. It's not pouring down rain and it's not flooded anymore.
In your defense, you have tried.
I have tried.
His ottoman that he tried to pull out.
Not an ottoman.
What is it?
An awning.
Awning.
So my wife was like, Clint, why aren't you using your awning? You have this sick 270-degree awning. And I was like, holy cow, why have I not done that? And so I got it out. I was in the pouring rain. I was zipping it out, and I'm like, oh my god, this is going to be such a good idea. I'm going to get this freaking Jeep done. So I unhook it, and then I'm like, ah, shit.
It ran into the tree.
So, yeah. And my wife was like, why don't you just move it? And I was like, that's a great idea. Why don't I just move the Jeep? Yeah, I wish I could. So, anyways, I've been working on... with the time that I've had, I've really only had like a day, and then like tonight that I've been working on stuff. So this footage is off of like a few different days. But anyways, what I've been mainly doing is focusing on getting everything buttoned up in the rear, like I talked about in my last overview of what's going on. So I ran the main line to the axle tube, ran the hard lines and flex lines to the calipers. That's done. Brake lines are totally done in the rear. I got the yoke the flange off the pinion, or the pinion net off, and I got the new yoke installed, and so I was able to get the drive shaft installed, which is huge because now I can install the front axle. I wasn't able to because this Jeep would move, so I'm really pumped.
But rear axle's done? My
rear axle's done. Also, I didn't really film this, but here, come over here. So one thing that took up a lot of my time that I didn't show is, sorry, I'm bossy. I welded the inner fender well. I cut it and welded it for these notch flares. That took up like a half of a day, but it needed to get done. So, all right. So let's go ahead and play that time lapse. enjoyed that. Big things happening. Saturday is 20% chance of rain, so front axle is 100% going in. Bring this thing over here. Let's look at this. So the front axle is actually going to be a little less complicated, I think. We'll find out on Saturday, but I'm going to bolt in everything on Saturday. This thing is going to be driving Saturday, and I am going to take a different picture somewhere else that's not in my driveway. That is the goal. So Saturday, stay tuned. I'll have a video coming out on Sunday of this thing pulling out of the driveway. I don't even care if I'm only going to right there. It's coming out of the driveway. So hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. See ya.